Hello everyone, this is Ram and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do the unboxing of this Bolt Audio Loop wired headphones. These headphones are bass heavy headphones as per the company's claims, and the company claimed that these headphones are designed in USA and they are built with 12mm driver. So I got these headphones from Amazon and they are also one of the best selling headphones on Amazon, and I got them for 400 rupees. So today I thought of unboxing these headphones and see the quality of these headphones along with the quality of the bass and treble as well. And I'll also do a comparison with the other headphones as well and see how the quality of the sound fares with other headphones. So before we proceed, I have a small request for you all, that is to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me post some more interesting videos on this channel. So now let's get started. So guys, I have with me the package of Bolt Audio Loop headphones. So let's see what's the specifications over here. Here it is written imported by and marketed by Exotic Mile Wazirpur Industries. Here the price is written as 1199, which is almost 1200 rupees, but I got this headphones for only 400 rupees. It is it is made in China. Okay, but the company says that this headphones is designed in USA, so I expect a lot better quality in the sound department. And here it is written L-shaped connectors, 1 year warranty, extra bass, deep bass and 3D acoustics, built-in mic and built-in micro woofers. So guys, in my opinion, the company has focused more on the bass department, so that bass heads like these headphones very much. So now let's open the package and see what's inside the box. Okay, I just opened it. So here are the headphones, guys. It looks pretty neat. Let me just open it up for you. So apart from headphones, we also get these extra ear tips and clip for the headphones. So here we have two extra pairs of ear tips, along with we have this clip. Let me keep these things aside. Apart from that, we also get a warranty card here. You can go ahead and register in the website as well. So let me keep these things aside and let me give you an overview of these headphones. So here are the headphones, guys. As you can see, the build quality is pretty good, I would say. And here the company has used aluminum body for designing the earphones, and these headphones also get an extra feature over here. So with that, you can adjust this wire according to your preference, so that it fits in properly in your ears. And for extra look, you also get this chrome plated metal here over here. I think it looks pretty clean and pretty good, I would say. Uh, yeah, and the headphones are designed in oval shaped, so I think it fits in properly in your ears. And here we get an gold plated 3.5mm jack, so that the music quality remains pretty neat. Apart from that, we also get a mic over here, but there are no volume rockers over here. We only get a mic control over here. I would say it is okay for me considering the price point. Overall, I would say the headphones quality is pretty decent, guys. But let me just listen to the music and say what my thoughts about the music quality and especially the bass quality of these headphones. So guys, I have tested these Bolt audio loops headphones for several hours now, and I would definitely say that they are pretty good on the bass department. The first thing I like about this headphones is that it's a build quality. These headphones are built with aluminum body and they are pretty premium, I would say. And the second thing I like about this headphones is it's a oval shaped earbud, and because of that when you put it in your ears you won't even feel any discomfort, and it is very comfortable in your ears and it won't even fall off because they come with a silicone ear tip here, and these silicone ear tips are of high quality, and these are not cheap. I would say that. The third thing is its wire quality. The wire quality is also pretty decent for the price, I would say, and I'm pretty satisfied with the price quotient. And one more thing is its sound quality. The sound quality is pretty decent, I would say, because the clarity is very fine and the bass is pretty high. But the high tones are on the lower side because I don't feel that when one would feel comfortable with the high tones, you may have to adjust in your equalizers. So that thing I would say, and overall the headphones quality is quite good, I would say, and I compared these headphones with the Sony's extra bass headphones, and I would say that bass compared to these headphones is pretty good, I would say. I didn't feel any difference between the bass of Sony headphones and these headphones because they both are on the same side, but the treble quality of these headphones is quite low, I would say, because I felt discomfort while listening to heavy treble. That is the only thing I didn't like about this headphones. Apart from that, everything is fine, and the quality is also fine. I would definitely recommend these headphones because they are only 400 rupees. So you can get it on Amazon at just 400 rupees. So that's it guys for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button and please share my video with your friends and all, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.